Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about Doppler effect. You are well experienced. If you are standing on railway platform, you will listen high frequency or high pitch of sound when train entering into the railway station, and low frequency or low pitch of sound when train is leaving the station. What is happening? We are receiving high frequency or low frequency of sound instead of actual frequency of horn. So how can we define Doppler effect? The apparent change in frequency due to relative motion between observer and source, we call it as Doppler effect. So when there will be no effect, we can't observe Doppler effect. You observe here is relative motion word. So when there is no relative motion, we will have no effect. When there will be no relative motion, if source and observer are at rest, in this case we have no relative motion. And if source and observer are moving along same direction with same velocity, in this case also we have no relative motion. So we will have no Doppler effect in these two cases. There is another one case, if a sound, if source and observer move along right angles to each other, then also we have no effect. It is applicable only when velocity of source and velocity of observer is less than velocity of light. You concentrate on fifth point. It is asymmetric in sound but symmetric in light. What is meant by asymmetric? The frequency changes depending upon the case in sound. And why it happens? Sound needs medium for their propagation. They are mechanical waves. So it is asymmetric in case of sound, but light not requires any medium for their propagation. So Doppler effect is symmetric in case of light. We can write equation for apparent frequency. Apparent frequency n dash is equals to n into V plus or minus Vo by V plus or minus Vs. You have to know each and every term here. N dash is apparent frequency, n is actual frequency of source, V is velocity of sound, Vo is velocity of observer, here V also velocity of sound, Vs is velocity of source. Again, if medium also moving, then we have to add another word, velocity of wind, that is W. It is shown by W here. So it becomes n dash is equals to n into V plus or minus V observer plus or minus W means wind velocity by V plus or minus Vs plus or minus W. So in this you have to select either plus or minus depending upon the given problem and given situation. Now we will do one problem. I am reading problem. Concentrate on this. Two ambulances A and B reached a junction blowing horn with 512 Hz and 618 Hz respectively and passed with speeds of 48 meters per second and 60 meters per second in north and east directions. Find frequency heard by driver in ambulance A when he is not blowing horn. You observe here. You have to concentrate on third point. See, if S and O, source and observer, are moving along right angles, there is no Doppler effect. Hence what happens here? You see, he observe here, north and east directions they are moving. So their north and east directions are perpendicular. So we will have no effect, Doppler effect. So there will be no change in frequency. Hence frequency heard by A is 618 Hz. That is frequency of B, 618 Hz. So please